Welcome to another Q&A. This one is about when there's architectural security rails and then which brush you can use. So Peter Thomas, he sends me a lot of funny videos, but this one's quite good. He's got a Wagtail Wave, which is known to be a very flat type brush, microfiber brush, and he's got an ultralight, and so we'll play that video while I'm talking here. And we'll drop it in because then you can hear Peter talking, right? So we'll do that here.
Okay, here we go. We've got a nice one. Steel aluminium. Not much room there. Let's try the U-View Wagtail Wave. Yeah, I can get half of it. Or shall we use the ultralight? Much better. Yeah, I know what I'll be using on this one, the ultralight.
All right, so now you can see that the profile, let me grab one. The profile of an ultralight is when it's compressed, that's it there. Like you can see, it's only like less than half an inch above the surface. So when he goes in between the rails and pushes, he can be within maybe half an inch of the glass and be cleaning the window. So that's why we like that. And then we also have, if you've got something really crazy, then we've brought out the ultralight 6-inch and 8-inch, which are designed for French panes, but may also suit this function that Peter's observed. And there's another video that will also play, which I'm not sure if I've sent to you, Jen, where Peter has or did we make a video on this already? On the glass balustrade and the decking, and there was a gap between the glass balustrade and the decking. All right, we'll see if we can find that video and drop it in here as well. So you can see, and that's another application where the deck is, let's say it's concrete or timber like that, it comes out like this. The glass railing comes down like this, and then they bolt the glass railing to the deck, but there's a spacer in there. So there's basically an inch, the glass goes down to the bottom of the deck, but there's only about an inch of space in between the glass and the deck, and there's very few tools that can get into that space. But we've got some videos. I think Byron also has got one that I can find just recently. So we've got some videos of guys cleaning those weird architectural disasters for a window cleaner as well. So that's pretty cool. So cleaning in tight spaces, or something like that would be a great name for this one.
Well, here's one of those lovely architecturally designed U-View. Let's have a play with this. Oh, look at that. The ultralight does get down into it. Marvellous. Looking at that. Go again down below. Oh, let's just swap over, being the utility of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Plenty of water. Beautiful.
Okay, that's it. See you in the next one.